Welcome to Health Solution Hub channel. We talk health. We talk herbal. We talk solution. We save lives.
Alright, if this is your first time coming across this channel, what I do basically on this channel is I talk about health related issues, health complications, and how you can use the local ingredients and natural herbs around you to tackle different kind of health complications. In our previous video, we discussed about how you can use home remedy to tackle internal heat. Internal heat, which is also referred to as hot inside but cold outside. You can check the list of videos in this channel for that video. Watch, like, and share to as many as possible. So in today's video, we'll be talking about typhoid, and we'll be discussing extensively on the natural test and herbal treatment for typhoid. So if this is what interests you, I want you to stick with me to the end of this video. Watch this video to the end, give this video a like, share this video to as many as possible, and drop a comment for me in the comment section below. Let me know I have a good audience that are also enjoying my content. Thank you very much, as we'll be diving straight into the video. So what I want you to do now is I want you to follow this procedure to test for typhoid. This procedure is very simple, and this is just a literal test that can help us to know, or that can help you to know if you have typhoid running in your body system, so that you can do the needful and tackle it on time. So what you need to do is I want you to get roasted yam, eat plenty of it with red oil as your evening food before you go to bed. So you need to eat plenty of yam with red oil. Eat as you can take. Actually, not compulsory you eat more than what you can take, but make sure you eat with plenty of red oil. And the following morning, what you need to do is when you go to the toilet to pass out excreta, make sure you look at the color of your stool. If your stool is pure black, that means typhoid is tested positive, and you need to act fast to tackle it before it knocks you down. So in this video, I'll be showing you things you need to do and how to make a home remedy to tackle that. This is the caution. This is just a literal test, and when tested, you should avoid iron tablets such as ferrous sulfate. So the test I have just given you is just a literal test for you to know as fast as you can if typhoid is in your body system. So what you need to do for me now is follow these steps appropriately, and make sure you stick with me to the end of this video, because I'll be showing you a herbal remedy for typhoid. So I want you to replicate exactly what I'll be telling you in this video so that you can get the exact result. So this leads us to our very first step, which is step number 1. So in this step, I want you to get a good quantity of lemongrass. You can get it in your neighborhood or anywhere around you. Just make sure you get a good quantity of it. That will be enough for the home remedy we want to do. The very next step, which is step number 2, what you need to do in this step is very simple. Once you have gotten your lemongrass, try as much as possible to get 1 unripe pineapple and 1 unripe pawpaw. You can buy it in any local market around you, or if your neighbor is having such, you can just get few from them. Just 1 unripe pineapple and pawpaw. And this leads us to the very third step, which is step 3. So in this step 3, you need to get 10 pieces of lime oranges and just 2 pieces of grape orange. So just 10 pieces of lime oranges and 2 pieces of grape oranges. And our very next step, which is step number 4, I want you to stick with me to this video. Follow every step that I'm listing out appropriately. In this 4th step, what you need to do is get 1 bulb of garlic onion and a little ginger. You can buy all of these ingredients in any local market around you. You can get it for a lower cost, so it won't cost you much because we are making a home remedy. And step number 5, when you have getting all of these fruits, make sure you don't peel any of them. What you just need to do is dice them into smaller pieces so that we can be able to use them for what we will be using it for. So you don't need to peel the purple back, you don't need to peel all these fruits. Just make sure you dice them into smaller pieces. And step number 6, in this step, what you need to do, after you must have diced your fruits into smaller pieces, you should get a stem back of Astonia bonei, popularly known as God's tree in English, Ewe Ahun in Yoruba, and Ebu in Igbo. It is very common. You just need the back of the tree, you peel it, and that's what we'll be using with other ingredients. And in this next step, which is step 7, what you need to do in this step is very simple. After you must have gotten all of these ingredients, you need to spice the ingredients up with just 1 bulb of garlic and a little ginger, as mentioned in the previous step. So this garlic, you need to peel it actually, and the ginger, you need to peel it so that you can use it, but it is the fruit that you should not peel. Now this leads us to the next step, which is step 8. In this step 8, put all of these ingredients together in a clean pot and add enough water to it for the purpose of boiling. So what we want to do is, all these ingredients that we have gotten, we'll put them in a pot and we want to boil so that we can get our own remedy. And in the 9th step, which is step number 9, what you need to do in this step is, after you must have gotten all of these ingredients in a pot and you have added enough water, you need to boil properly for about 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure you cover it so that it can boil properly. So you boil for about a minimum of 20 minutes and a maximum of 30 minutes. And this leads us to the very last step, which is step number 10. So in this 10th step, after you must have boiled, you have to allow it to cool so that you can sieve it out. You can sieve the water after boiling into a clean bowl, then allow it to cool properly so that you can store in a table water plastic or any bottle that you have at home. Now this is the dosage. If it is for children, you just need to give that child 2 full spoons 3 times daily for complete 1 week. You have to give that baby just 2 full spoons 3 times every day. You can do it in the morning, 1 spoon in the morning, 1 spoon in the afternoon, and another spoon in the night. And you do this consistently for 1 week. But if it is for adults, just take half glass twice daily for complete 10 days. So I would advise that you take it in the morning and you take it in the night as adults, and you do this consistently for 10 days. Now we have come to the end of the video. What I need to do now is, I want you to check the description of this video below. There are vital informations that you can't afford to miss there. When I talk about health complications like this, I go further in the description to extend more in the discussion and how you can help get out of that health complication. So you need to check the description, follow my recommendations. There are products there that I recommend that can also help you get better faster. So you need to check the description of the video. Thanks for watching today's video. Do well to like, do well to share, do well to drop a comment for me in the comment section below, and subscribe to this channel so that you can always be updated when I drop my next video that can help you or anyone around you. Thank you.